Also, as we are for word of prayer. Father, in the name of Jesus, we glorify your
Aha district igana 35 mu ihanga ryona district inazonka okurwa mu Central Region nizo zajwecerana n'Orukiiko Rwaba rwa Uganda Local Government Association rwahererukire kakorwa abantu babiri okurwa mu Central Region nibo bizere.
Their absence is notable and regrettable. Because this is the way things begin. This is how things begin and begin to go wrong. Because I can't perceive that this is not deliberate. Surely out of how many districts of Central Region? It's about 50.
But you have only 4 districts from Central Region. We had also earmarked it in the last AGM of Rwaba, where only 2 districts represented Central. There must be something hidden underneath this absenteeism, and I emphasize we must research together and establish what is wrong, what is going on.
Abatu bakomaho bashabe bembezi b'ekigombe kya Uganda Speakers Association ekiri kura ba speakers bono mu ihanga okugezaho bakarondereza enshonga ahabwenca ba Central Region batine enkwatanisa n'ezindi regions.
Should go out to find out why Uganda is absent. Why Uganda? What have we done to them for them not to show up? There must be a reason. Let's not push that reason under the carpet and think everything is okay. No, everything is not okay.
Major General Kahinda yashaba ba councillors okukoresa amaani bakagira eki basiga enyuma ekibarije kubijukiraho baba bahumwire emirimo yabo.
Give an opportunity to serve. Don't load it over them. Because they gave you opportunity to serve them. If you can't serve them, just eat humble pie and go home. But when you offer yourself to come and lead and volunteer to act on people's behalf, please fulfill your calling. And for you, the speakers, it's to be your role is to be observant to ensure that the district councils function properly and supervise the executive.
Businge Victoria Rusoke, All State Minister of Local Government, nawe yashaba speakers okureba ngo ekibina kyabo kyarwanisa oburwenguzi obwiziro mu ihanga.
The country is seeking very much everybody's involvement to fight corruption. So an association where there is no focus on ensuring zero tolerance to corruption as a problem.
Victoria yahanangiriza ba speakers bona okureba ngo bagumana bashomebera jiro ebikwebembera enjenderwaho ya council okwenda kuzibira obutabanko bwa council.
So the Local Government Act to make legal decisions that won't be challenged to ashame the districts. Very many districts are losing a lot of money out of the ignorance of these guidelines that you should be knowing, including the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
District Speaker wa Mitoma kandi Finance Secretary yatumikiraho mwa bintu eva kwenda government ebakore babantu bende emyoga yabo bagikoreje.
Tuna government nabwe erebe omunshashurwa yabebembezi ba government zebyanga abakabembezi abo banyigigwe tine ko kuba kubasa gukora mirimo nibabaherezo oburagarikira kandi kuri yahigura sente zone niyo bakuzirira.
Kenefi yatamza kwari kuza kugezaho kureba ngo yarondereze enshonga ahabwenshi ba speaker ba Central Region batakwejumbira mu kibina cyabo.
I've already made a commitment in assuring that I think I follow up, because even the regional speaker, their chair, well, the region is not here. So after here, I will ensure that I talk to him.
To open the meeting is open.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Olivia na Sasra abwa tayari West omuri Mitoma.